Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine.
Hi, it's me, Angharad from Angharads Life. I'm so excited. In today's video, we'll be trying some different products from Aldi, won't we, Mum?
We will. It's been lovely to be able to find some new products for us to be able to try as well.
Definitely. Ooh, what should we try first, Mum?
I don't know, I'll let you make that decision.
Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears.
Here are the Aldi stuffing fries, no chicken. Oh, I love the smell so much. We love these, don't we, Mum?
We really do. So happy, weren't we, when we saw that they had them back in our Aldi.
I love the breadcrumbs so much. The stuffing fried flavour is absolutely incredible. And the vegan no chicken too. It's so delicious. Should we go try them, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
Here are the vegetable gyozas with the sauce. Oh, they smell amazing, don't they, Mum?
They do. Everything smelt so lovely, didn't it?
They're so delicious. I love the vegetables so much. And a lovely flaky pastry too with the sauce. They really go so well together. I love the smell from the inside too, do you, Mum?
Oh, they smell amazing. Looking
really
forward
do.
to having them in a minute.
Today we thought we'd also try the no prawn tempuras. Oh, they smell amazing, don't they, Mum?
They do.
Wow. I love the batter so much. It really goes so wonderfully well with the vegan prawn. And it does have a lovely fishy taste too. Here are the no duck spring rolls.
That'd be really nice to be able to do like a picky dinner for us to be able to try everything.
Oh wow, the outside is so lovely and flaky, and oh my gosh, the vegan duck is so delicious. I love them so much. The textures really go so wonderfully well together. We also have the southern fried stars, don't we, Mum?
We do.
Wow, for the bite I just had, I could really taste the amazing southern fried breadcrumbs. Shall I try the vegan chicken, Mum, now?
I think that's a great idea. Got a lovely crunch, haven't they?
Wow, the vegan chicken is so lovely too. The flavours of the vegan chicken and, of course, the southern fried breadcrumbs. My gosh, it goes so wonderfully well together. Should we go join it, Mum, now?
I think that's a great idea.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Here are the barbecue no ribs. Oh, they smell so good, don't they, Mum?
They do.
The smell while they're cooking as well.
It was really lovely.
Mmm. Oh my gosh, they taste just like the vegan ribs that you get in Wagamama.
Wow.
It's so good. Oh. Should we go join them, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, it is the cauliflower popcorn with the spicy buffalo dip. Oh, it smells amazing, doesn't it,
It
Mum?
does. I've got some here. Just dipping it into the spicy dip.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Oh, that's really good. Especially with someone who doesn't like the texture of cauliflower.
That's
That's
right.
really good. Here are the pakoras from the Indian snack selection. Oh, they smell amazing, don't they, Mum?
They really do. Everything smells so good when it's all cooking.
Mmm. They taste absolutely incredible, and they're not too spicy either. They're really, really tasty. I like the outside, it's nice and crunchy too.
Here's the onion bhaji.
Thank you, Mum. Mmm. That's super delicious. I love how crunchy on the outside it is, and how soft and fluffy the middle is as well. It's so tasty. And the vegetable samosa. Ooh. They taste absolutely wonderful. I love the outside so much. It's so lovely and crunchy, but not too crunchy. And the filling, the vegetables, so delicious.
It means so much more than words can say, and I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more.
Really enjoyed trying everything we could find from our Aldi, didn't we, Mum?
We did. It was really lovely.
It really was so lovely. And we really hope you all enjoyed seeing what we could find too. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have tried any of these products from Aldi.
I think that's a great question.
We'd also love to know if you haven't tried any of the products from Aldi, what vegan Christmas products you like to enjoy. We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!